Everybody okay?
We don't know.
Even the helicopter's here.
Okay, Marika Tedder, Maricatedder.
What was your reaction when you walked out and saw flames?
I was horrified. I heard knocking and banging outside before, which made me come to my door. And when I opened my door, there was just flames everywhere. So I was horrified and just hoping that everyone would be okay. Yeah, so when I walked out the door, there were already flames coming out of the home. I came to the sidewalk. One of my neighbors had already called the fire truck and police officers, so they were en route. So it's about 5 minutes between the time that I went out and the time that the firefighters arrived. But there were several people around already trying to get into the home and help get neighbors out. But it was a very horrific experience.
Do you know the ladies?
I've seen them. I don't know them personally, but I see them on a daily basis as we come and go, but I don't know them personally.